When it comes to creating a comfortable, healthy living environment, indoor airflow plays a crucial role. For homeowners in Rowlett, where the Texas climate brings warm summers and breezy days, having well-functioning windows makes all the difference. If your current windows are outdated or hard to open, it may be time to consider window replacement, an upgrade that can dramatically improve ventilation, comfort, and overall home efficiency. Let's explore how replacing your old windows can enhance indoor airflow and help you enjoy a fresher, more comfortable Rowlett home. Old windows restrict air movement and comfort over time. Older windows tend to lose their functionality. Wooden frames may swell, metal tracks may corrode, and seals may deteriorate, all of which make windows difficult to open or close. When airflow becomes restricted, your home can start to feel stuffy, humid, and unbalanced. This is especially true in Rowlett's warm climate, where proper ventilation helps keep interior spaces cooler and prevents the buildup of moisture or indoor pollutants. Poorly functioning windows trap heat and stale air, forcing your air conditioning system to work harder. By replacing old or damaged windows with modern, easy-to-operate designs, you can instantly restore natural airflow throughout your home, reducing your reliance on artificial cooling and improving your overall comfort. New window designs enhance natural ventilation. Today's replacement windows are built with smart designs that maximize fresh air circulation. Whether you prefer sliding, double-hung, or casement windows, each offers unique benefits for controlling airflow. Double-hung windows allow you to open both the top and bottom sashes. Warm air can escape through the top while cool air enters through the bottom, promoting steady, balanced ventilation. Casement windows open outward with a crank, capturing side breezes and directing airflow into the home. This design is ideal for catching Rowlett's gentle winds. Awning windows, which hinge at the top, allow ventilation even during light rain, keeping your home comfortable without worrying about water intrusion. Replacing outdated windows with these modern, energy-efficient designs can improve airflow efficiency by up to 50%, making your home feel fresher and more comfortable year-round. Energy efficiency meets better air circulation. Window replacement isn't just about airflow, it's also about energy management. Properly installed, energy-efficient windows reduce air leakage and maintain ideal indoor temperatures without trapping unwanted heat or humidity. Many replacement windows feature low E-glass, argon gas insulation, and tight weather seals that prevent drafts while allowing fresh air to flow when desired. This balance ensures your home stays cool during hot Texas summers and warm during cooler months, all while lowering your energy bills. Better airflow also reduces your dependence on HVAC systems, helping them run more efficiently and last longer. With improved ventilation and reduced energy consumption, you enjoy both comfort and savings. Reducing humidity and improving indoor air quality. In Rowlett's humid climate, poor ventilation can lead to excess moisture indoors, a recipe for mold, mildew, and musty odors. By installing new windows with improved functionality, you enhance cross ventilation, allowing humidity to escape and fresh air to circulate. Consistent airflow not only helps maintain healthy humidity levels but also improves indoor air quality by removing airborne pollutants and allergens. For families who spend more time indoors, this improvement makes a significant difference in health, comfort, and overall well-being. The importance of professional installation. While high-quality windows are essential, professional installation is what ensures they perform at their best. Improperly installed windows can create gaps that reduce airflow efficiency and allow air leaks. By choosing local Rowlett window installation experts, you'll get precise fitting, expert sealing, and personalized advice on the best window styles for your home's layout and local climate. Proper installation guarantees that every window operates smoothly, provides optimal ventilation, and lasts for years without maintenance issues. Final thoughts for homeowners in Rowlett. Window replacement is more than just a home improvement project. It's an investment in comfort, efficiency, and quality of life. New, professionally installed windows bring fresh air, natural light, and balanced indoor temperatures to every room. By upgrading your windows, you can reduce humidity, lower energy costs, and enjoy a brighter, more breathable home environment all year long. If you're ready to improve your home's comfort and airflow, it's time to explore modern window replacement options tailored for Rowlett's climate, where style, performance, and fresh air come together beautifully.